Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. Today, on my way home from work, I saw a plant pot discarded on the roadside like something thrown away. When I got closer, I was quite surprised because it was a Zamioculcas plant, an ornamental plant that many people are willing to pay money to buy and display indoors. But this plant pot was completely different. The leaves were sparse, the stems had collapsed, many branches had dried out, and there were almost no signs of life left. Perhaps its owner thought that the plant could no longer be saved. But what made me curious was whether a discarded Zamioculcas plant like this had truly lost all hope. Therefore, I decided to bring it home and try to revive it using only simple ingredients available in the kitchen. And the result after a few months surprised even me. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe so that you do not miss any simple plant care tips on the Great Garden channel. Let us get started. After bringing the plant home, the first thing to do is inspect the overall condition of the plant and remove branches that are broken, dried out, or severely damaged. These parts are no longer capable of recovering, but they still consume the plant's nutrients. Removing them helps the plant focus its energy on the remaining healthy parts while reducing the risk of fungal diseases developing. Next, let the plant rest and prepare a fertilizer solution for the plant. The ingredient I use is banana peel. After eating bananas, many people usually throw the peels away immediately. But do not do that. Use them to make fertilizer for plants. First, cut the banana peel into thin slices as shown in the video. Banana peel contains a significant amount of potassium, along with natural minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, which are very beneficial for plant development. Cutting it into small pieces increases the contact area with water, allowing the nutrients in the banana peel to be released more easily and dissolve better into the solution. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, place all of the chopped banana peel into a clean glass cup, as shown in the video. The next ingredient I use is coffee. Coffee contains small amounts of natural minerals such as potassium, magnesium, nitrogen, and phosphorus. When used properly, coffee can help improve the growing medium environment and support healthier root development. Add 1 tablespoon of coffee to the cup containing the banana mixture. Pour 500 milliliters of hot water into the banana and coffee mixture. Use a spoon to stir thoroughly so the coffee and banana peel blend completely together, helping the nutrients distribute evenly throughout the solution and supporting a more effective extraction process. Finally, cover the cup and steep the solution for 1 hour. While waiting, I gently rinse the plant with clean water. Watering before using the nutrient solution helps the growing medium become evenly moist, creating favorable conditions for the roots to absorb nutrients more effectively in the next step. In addition, clean water also helps wash away some dirt, salt residue, or impurities remaining in the growing medium. As a result, the plant will have a lower risk of shock when nutrients are added and can adapt better to the next care process. Only water gently with a moderate amount to moisten the soil, and do not water too much, causing water to accumulate in the pot. After 1 hour, when the solution has cooled completely, I use a strainer to remove all of the residue and keep only the clear liquid as shown in the video. Filtering carefully helps make the solution cleaner, reduces sediment, and makes it more convenient to use for the plant. The liquid obtained is the natural nutrient solution that we will use to care for the Zamioculcas plant in the next step. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. That is it. We now have the solution to water the plant. Method 1. First, use a soft cotton pad dipped into the coffee and banana peel solution. Then gently wipe each side of the Zamioculcas leaves as shown in the video. Wiping the leaves helps remove dust, residue, and impurities that accumulate on the leaf surface over time. When the leaves are clean and more breathable, the plant can absorb light more effectively, thereby supporting photosynthesis and maintaining healthy growth. Besides that, the banana peel and coffee solution also helps the leaves become cleaner, naturally glossier green, and fresher. For Zamioculcas plants kept indoors or in offices, regular leaf wiping also helps the plant maintain a healthy appearance and increases the aesthetic value of the space. For the best results, you can apply this method about once each week. In addition to Zamioculcas plants, you can also apply this method to wipe the leaves of peace lily plants and many other indoor ornamental plants. The banana peel and coffee solution provides a small amount of natural nutrients to the leaf surface, supporting the leaves in maintaining a healthy green color and becoming glossier over time. At the same time, regular leaf wiping also helps remove accumulated dust, making the leaves more breathable and helping them absorb light more effectively for photosynthesis. When cared for regularly, the plant will look fresher, maintain better vitality, and help the living space remain green, clean, and close to nature. Method 2. Pour the coffee and banana peel solution into a spray bottle. Then gently spray evenly over the entire Zamioculcas plant, from the base and stem to the leaf surface, as shown in the video. Using this solution regularly helps provide natural nutrients for the plant, supports healthier root development, and helps the plant maintain its natural fresh green color. At the same time, mist spraying also helps clean dust from the leaves, allowing the plant to absorb light more effectively. For the best results, you should apply this method about once each week. When cared for regularly, the Zamioculcas plant will develop more steadily, produce more new shoots, and always maintain a lush green and healthy appearance. Method 3. Pour the remaining solution into a watering bottle, then gently water around the base of the Zamioculcas plant, as shown in the video. The coffee and banana peel solution helps add a natural amount of nutrients to the growing medium, supports healthier root development, and increases the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients. When used regularly, this method also helps the plant grow more steadily, maintain beautiful green leaves, stimulate the development of new shoots, and help the plant remain healthy and full of vitality. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Results. After about 2 months of patiently using this solution, you will notice clear changes in the Zamioculcas plant. New leaves grow with a dark green color and a naturally glossy appearance, while the older leaves also maintain freshness and vitality. The root system develops more strongly, helping the plant absorb water and nutrients more effectively. Overall, the plant becomes greener, fuller, and grows more steadily, bringing a fresh beauty to your living and working space. This is a well-deserved reward for patient care, and proof that sometimes, with only simple ingredients available at home, we can still help plants grow healthier and greener every day. What do you think about this method? Please leave your opinion in the comments section below. If you find this method useful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel to follow more simple, economical, but highly effective plant care tips. Thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you again in future Great Garden sharing sessions.